Live an optimal life, through health and wellness. Be well, get well, and stay well.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sarv Zand. I'm a board-certified dermatologist with a dual MD from Harvard and MIT. I've been practicing dermatology for nearly 20 years with a focus on holistic treatments and natural aesthetic enhancements. As a cosmetic dermatologist, I trust TrueScience Liquid Collagen because it's backed by real science. TrueScience Liquid Collagen is a unique formula that helps improve firmness, increases moisture, and enhances radiance in your skin in 8 weeks or less. The combination of high-quality, ethically sourced fish collagen with a proprietary blend of plant extracts is better than most formulas on the market because it works in 3 significant ways. TrueScience Liquid Collagen not only replenishes our body's collagen supply, it also reduces collagen breakdown, and most importantly, it activates our body's own production of collagen. I see many people in my practice concerned about the appearance of aging in their skin. One of the primary causes of visible wrinkling, sagging, or lack of radiance is a decline in collagen. So what is collagen, and why does it have this impact as we age? Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. It makes up 25 to 35% of our total proteins. It provides structure for the cells in our skin, bones, hair, joints, and more. Our body produces collagen from amino acids in the foods that we eat, but production declines rapidly starting in our late 20s and early 30s. Factors like poor diet, sun exposure, stress, and poor sleep can cause damaging oxidative stress, which can slow down production even more and make collagen break down more quickly. This significant loss of collagen affects the health and appearance of our skin, hair, nails, and more. TrueScience Liquid Collagen combines fish collagen with a blend of botanical extracts. The fish collagen replenishes our collagen density. The plant extracts help our body activate its own collagen production, plus protect against oxidative stress. This is a powerful double approach. There are many different types of collagen, each playing different roles in our body. 90% is type 1 collagen. This is the building block for beautiful skin. The fish collagen in TrueScience delivers 10 types of peptides, including plenty of type 1, plus amino acids that support collagen density, elasticity, and moisture. TrueScience uses responsibly sourced native collagen from tilapia and pangasius fish. The collagen is naturally extracted through enzymatic hydrolysis, which uses only water and no chemical solvents. The hydrolyzed collagen is in a liquid form for enhanced bioavailability. This is a really important point because the collagen peptides are already broken down into an easily digestible form. Liquid collagen can be quickly absorbed into your bloodstream and can travel to our skin, hair, and other cells efficiently. In clinical studies, supplementing with 5 grams of the peptides in TrueScience Liquid Collagen significantly increased skin hydration and reduced collagen loss. Liquid collagen provides this exact dose to deliver visible benefits. What really sets TrueScience apart is the botanical extracts. So let's take a closer look at what they do. Red quinoa extract is a unique ingredient that research has shown helps activate many genetic pathways to support healthy, vibrant skin from within. It activates our body's own process for building the cellular framework necessary to convert amino acids into type 1 collagen proteins, and it increases activity of several genes that support our skin barrier. Red quinoa also minimizes activities of genes that create enzymes responsible for breaking down collagen. And it significantly increases levels of catalase and superoxide dismutase. These are antioxidants that protect skin from the damaging effects of oxidative stress. LifeVantage ethically sources this quinoa from a farm that grows, harvests, and processes the plant, so phytonutrients are captured at peak potency. A clinical study on red quinoa extract has shown increases in collagen density and skin moisture, and decreases in the depth of crow's feet and skin roughness. This is a big deal for an oral supplement to provide such astounding benefits. The blend of blueberry, green acerola berry, and young pumpkin fruit extracts provides vitamin C and antioxidants to promote collagen and elastin production. They also help support our skin's ability to create more of its own moisture. These extracts work synergistically, or even better together, to give you a youthful glow and improved texture and firmness. Now let's talk about the flavor. I love the natural appleberry flavor, and I know you will too. Unlike many other collagen products that can taste fishy or chalky, or those bulky collagen capsules that get stuck in my throat, this has the deliciously sweet and tart taste of apple juice, cranberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Because that's exactly what it's made of. Fruit juice with no added sugar or artificial sweeteners. There's no dairy, gluten, preservatives, solvents, or GMO ingredients, and the packaging is 100% recyclable. Good nutrition and clean, holistic ingredients really matter to me, and LifeVantage has nailed their liquid collagen formula. True Science Liquid Collagen is a great choice for anyone who wants their skin, hair, and nails to look more youthful and vibrant. Drink it daily to get gorgeous, glowing skin.
Thanks for watching, and remember, one change can have an enormous effect. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell and the like, and we'll see you next time on Love to Live.